Well, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Where you been hiding at?
In bed.
You suck. This guy's always drinking something. So, today, we're gonna be working on the Fox. Went and got some new oil filter, fresh gas. Dude, that gas that I got last night was so bad.
That sounded like it.
Like, bad. I don't know what the hell was wrong with it, but it was bad. So, you guys are gonna see the car, and it's probably not gonna make a bunch of sense. I didn't really do a whole lot of filming on everything that I've been doing. Actually, I haven't done any filming because we're on a very big time crunch for the ice cream cruise. As of right now of filming, we have 2 weeks until we leave. Like, exactly 2 weeks. So I just been busting ass trying to get this thing done in time for this ice cream cruise. And I gotta still get the motor broke in. I still gotta break the clutch in. Still gotta, you know, build a tune for it, which the tune's pretty good. I think it should run okay as a start, as a base map. All right, guys, so I had to interrupt the video just real quick. I was sitting here editing it, and just to make this short, simple, and sweet, if you guys haven't seen, we do have a official website up now. Tyler's been posting it on our Facebook page, and I believe on our Instagram, and a lot of us have been sharing it. But for you guys, if you haven't seen it, the website is up and live. It's www.khp5150.com or www.crazyhouseperformance.com. KHP is a little bit shorter, easy to remember. But if you guys want to go on there, you can now officially buy merch through the website. We are still trying to come up with new ideas for merch. Leave a comment down below if you know something that you would like to see from us on that. We are going to be coming up with new sticker designs, you know, sweatshirts for winter apparel coming up here pretty soon. Another thing on the website is all the club members in our little car club that we have is on the website, and it'll show a breakdown of everybody's ride, what the ride consists of as far as their parts and everything, what that person's goal is for their ride, and what their goal is for the YouTube channel and the car club. With that, I'll get right back to the video. Yesterday, I was not really enthused at all about this car, to be completely honest. I was actually pretty pissed off because not everything was going correctly as I wanted it to, which is a given on a brand new build. But I think I got a lot of it sorted out. As of right now, the wiring on the inside's not done. I just kind of have it half-ass hooked up enough to get it to, to make sure it even ran, because of that main bearing, the thrust bearing. I was really worried about it, but it seems like it's fine so far. I'm not gonna say it's 100%, but I mean, it should be fine. But all right, so here we go. Here's the car. Engine's in it. Everything is hooked up. Got my 4-inch side exit exhaust. The bay has been all painted. I ended up having to buy a whole new front K-member from UPR. So it's got the UPR K-member, solid motor mounts from Maximum Motorsports, tubular A-arms, their UPR's bump steer kit, the coilover kit, UPR caster camber plates. So I had to do that because the engine wouldn't fit with the pan, hit the rack. Did all sorts of crazy stuff. Had to wait on parts, reorder mounts. I reordered mounts like probably 3 times on this thing. Finally got it to work. Tranny's in it. I got my T5 in it. But it definitely looks good, fits in there good. Give you a little shot of the crossover on the exhaust. I built this whole exhaust system. I had to shorten up the collectors on the headers. My buddy over at the muffler shop, he built me the Y pipe and this piece, but I built everything to it. I'm just not very good at making Ys. I've tried in the past and I fail epically. Let's get this guy's reaction of it first startup. Get your guys' reaction on first startup. You ready?
Yeah. I can hear it.
Good morning.
Good Lord. Neighbors are gonna hate you.
I started at like 2 this morning.
Jesus.
That's when my dad got home. He came all walking in here and he's like, "How you coming?" And I started walking the driver's door. He's like, "Oh, it must run." So I fired it right up and he's like, "Oh, that sounds good." All right, well, we're gonna see if it moves. We're gonna move it around to the front bay. All right, let's see if it works.
God, that thing's rowdy. Sir?
That's rowdy. I gotta adjust the clutch, it's like on the floor. All right, so we got fresh oil put in it, tranny fluids topped off, we got the speedo cable hooked up. I adjusted my clutch a little bit more. I think I'm actually gonna turn it out a couple more turns. God, this one's definitely more of a pain in the butt to adjust than the old setup. We bled the brakes. Brakes seem to feel okay. Christian?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Check the line lock. Line lock sound, it's clicking. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just take it up the road and up the street real quick, come back down, see how it feels and everything. I'm gonna pass the camera off to numbnuts.
Hola.
Maybe a burnout.
All right.
Well, what, you coming with?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What'd you expect?
Oh, I thought you were gonna hang out here.
No.
You gotta move a bunch of stuff.
Welcome to my world. Your dad.
Well, be safe and don't let him do anything stupid. What do you mean?
I'm not driving, Steve.
I was like, we're just going up the road real quick. Junkyard training, it works. Let's see if we got fit. Okay, I don't like fit. Running about 190.
Good oil pressure too.
Yep.
Tell me about it. I'm on this side.
Turn the camera around this way so it sees. Like hold it in the corner so it sees us. So it sees you, sees me.
She got a big ass hole right here.
Huh?
Well, there was a big ass dip right there in one spot.
You'll have to let me know what you guys think of this. when I did that little first gear, right? You're like, oh my god.
Well, I didn't expect it at all. That kind of caught me off guard.
Oh man, that was great. Well, I think we're gonna end it off here. Huge thanks to everybody. I got a big list of everybody to thank. Zach at ZSR Racing for all the engine parts. Right now I'm running a Stinger Pimp XS ECU, so huge thanks to Stinger. Huge thanks to Ron Francis Wiring for the engine harness. Huge thanks to Aeromotive and Fragola for the fittings. Summit Racing for getting me parts really quick. There's probably tons more people I should be thanking, and I'll try to put everything down in the description, but huge thank you to everybody. If it wasn't for you guys and having these parts, this wouldn't be done at all. So
yeah.
So with that, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to check out the website, give us a like, subscribe, share. Thanks again. We'll see you guys in the next video.